Hello, this is AJ Macdonald with Macdonald Financial Services, and I have Devin Jones here in my office today, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about the difference between SIPC insurance and FDIC insurance. So, Devin, what the heck is the difference between those two?
Yeah, good question. We get a lot of times, a lot of questions about this. So I just had a client in my office just moments ago that was asking me about FDIC insurance. So, FDIC insurance is really banks. When you've got money at the bank, you're going to have some insurance around your accounts at the bank. Coverage for FDIC insurance, $250,000 per account. A little different than SIPC that covers us here in the brokerage world. So, there is a difference.
Yeah, so good point. We didn't mention NCUA insurance. That's the credit unions, but works very similar to the FDIC insurance, which says, heaven forbid, which has happened, bank goes out of business, which we've had happen here in Colorado. We've had a couple big ones happen last year nationally. So if you have money in the bank and the bank goes bankrupt, FDIC will come in and give you your money back. So you don't lose anything as long as you're under that $250, as Devin mentioned. SIPC insurance, a little different, where back during the Great Depression, if you would have bought, say, 100 shares of IBM, back then there was no such thing as SIPC insurance. And the brokerage firm maybe lent out your 100 shares, and then they didn't have computers, they lost track of it. And now all of a sudden, they say, yeah, you don't have 100 shares anymore. SIPC comes in and says, now, hey, whatever number of shares of an investment you have, they guarantee that you will always have that. Now, it'd be nice if they guaranteed they go up, which they don't. They just guarantee that you own those certificate, that number of shares. So that's a big difference. Then FDIC, we have a lot of clients that are keeping a lot of cash in the bank. Last year, 2024, interest rates at the bank were really good. Not as good today. A lot of people are over that FDIC limit, so you should be aware of that. Anything else to add?
Yeah, we're not saying that the banks are in trouble. We're not saying that, but you want to make sure that you've got your protection.
Absolutely. If you have any other questions about FDIC or SIPC or NCUA insurance, please give our office a call. Be happy to talk to you further. And again, thanks for watching.